Hi everyone, my name is Takaba Media, and in this video I will show you how to use the script to detect prevent any attacks from your Active Directory. First, we can do it on 3 steps. Enable audit, it is necessary. Create a list for fast detection and edit the script where we want to detect or stop, and optionally create whitelist. The first time I need to download the script from my GitHub, for example, and you can do it anything. For example, I am create a folder that name test and put my script here. Okay, when it is download. I need also to enable the enable audit from GPU MC MSC. Okay, to do it is very easy. You must go on your GPU. Don't forget to do it on GPU on your domain control to monitor or edit. Call develop just come here. Develop is root computer Windows setting audit policy direct access and enable audit directory service access property 6FL and file. Now you can do GP edit or waiting 5 minutes. Now when I come in my script, and the first time for run it very fast, I need execute it only one time in write admin. In my script, I choose to create a file that name folder that name test. You can change it and create your folder on here and change here. Come here and change your proper patch. Now I must execute it in the first time to extract the list schema to monitor. You can, of example, I am choose all the schema. You can also filter on GPU on only admin account and password on another thing. Okay. When you run it first time in write admin, that create a file like this, that include all objects to monitor. You say there is the proxy, RTN, GPU, and anything. You can, of course, choose only interesting thing that you want. DHCP, password, more. And after 1 step and 2 step, we must create a whitelist to disable notification for the user. Whitelist must have the distinct name. For example, for me or for user or computer, you must use get at the object, which is English keyboard MIDI. You must export get at the user. You must export some account name. All some account name you want to exclude from monitor, and also something for computer. At the computer, for example, this one. At the computer or the object to add the Active Directory computer and export some account name. When you export all your list name and some account name, now we have the whitelist. Don't forget to specify the patch to whitelist. Okay, now our script is ready to be executed. We can execute it from loop or from task. It is very good to execute run it from task. You can do it for schedule task or directory from security. When you execute the for first time the request, Bluetooth collect.